Every mighty tree begins as a tiny seed full of hidden potential. With water, sunlight, and care, the seed awakens, sending out its first roots and shoots. A small sprout breaks through the soil, reaching toward the sun, growing stronger each day. Over time, roots dig deep and branches stretch wide as the sprout transforms into a sapling. Years pass and the sapling matures into a tall, sturdy tree, providing shade, shelter, and life to the world around it. From a single seed to a magnificent tree, nature's journey of growth is truly extraordinary.